Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. It is time to do a flip through of all of the spreads that I did in July. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I use multiple planners. I do carry them in one planner like so. So all of these are housed in here 1 month at a time. And when I'm done, they get transferred into these, except this little journal. So I'm going to share all of this stuff with you guys. I'm going to start with the journal. Then we're going to go through my meal plan, my wellness journal, my social media, and my catch-all. So here we go. Let's start with this lovely thing. So July, as always, I use these little calendars and stuff from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. If you're not familiar, check her out. She's amazing. She sells these like calendar sets at the end of the year. They're really, really worth it. So here we go. Girls' dinner, a medical checkup. I don't need to go for another year. I had another brunch with friends. I went to a date night with my boyfriend to Lago, my birthday celebration. So lots of fun things. And then this is what my journaling looks like. Very simple. These stickers I used are from Easter Case. I'll show you what they look like. They are these little garden stickers. They're on my clear page. And as you can see, I pulled quite a few stickers from here. And I just used them. I didn't cut anything this time or anything like that. These are kiss cut, so you just take them off the page and they're done. But look how cute. Best date night ever. Wrote a lot on that day. Then we have this. Really, really pretty. These stickers are just so pretty. So that's basically my July. Nothing special. It was my birthday month, so there was a lot going on. So I probably used a bit more pages than normal. But yeah, that's... And then I set up the August one. So that is it in my journal. I did end up sticking to the same type of stickers through the whole month. I do bring this notebook on the go quite often, like to work and stuff. So if I have time, I journal at lunch. Okay. Where is July? Here. Okay. So July, this planner is called Cooking 101 from the Happy Planner. These stickers are from Easter Case. Again, this is called Spring Notes sticker book. If you use code Kasha, it will give you 12% off of your whole order. So Toa's food, so I cook for my dog. So it's just listing all the stuff that I make for him. I listed the 3 top meals from this month. All of them are out because we were celebrating just so much all the time. These stickers are from the first rainbow book from Color Plan. And then I do track my groceries, and I do like a recipe ideas. So I have dinner ideas, snack salads, dinner ideas, breakfast, and then soups. This is first week of July. As you can see, I did kind of like a campy week. Again, this is Easter Case, Spring Notes. I love this book. It is so stunning and pretty, and it has such a really, really vibrant pictures. I really like it. So yeah, that is the first one. Let's see. Nothing major. Then this is the Botanist Babe from Live Love Posh. This is all of her succulents, and I thought that was quite gorgeous. Her stickers are just so pretty whenever I use them. This is also Botanist Babe from Live Love Posh. I thought that was a stunning like artwork as well. I really like her stickers. In general, I enjoy her stickers. If you guys follow me, you probably know. This one is from Etsy. So it is Bridgerton inspired. I just found them. I don't even know if they're meant to be stickers or not. I found them. I layered them with the white, which takes quite a bit of work. And then I created them on Cricut. and turn them into stickers. I love these florals. I have created so many of these florals for myself because of how much I enjoyed them. I had a string. Okay. It's already better. Okay. So, and then that is it for July, you guys. So pretty quick flip through, only a couple weeks, no big deal, right? So again, cooking 101. This is a meal planning layout. And after meal planning, we have wellness. So what is going on here? This is Moody Florals Outdated Planner. And now I'm using the Celestial Elegance in it. So July is starting this planner. So I'm going to show you. So yeah, July. I no longer felt like redating this planner because I have to redate my social media one, which I'll show you in a second. I ended up using the Celestial Elegance for this, and I'll just keep adding. Eventually, I'll remove all of these and just store them separately. But for right now, I'm keeping everything together while it fits. So lose 5 pounds. I did. Journal daily. Walks with Toa. Bath time like me time. Yep. Drink matcha versus coffee, which I did. So I swapped. And then pick smart when eating out, which I did. This is my essential holiday from the Happy Planner and Planet Darby. It was the 4th of July spread. I think that came out pretty cute. Then this is Retro Holiday from Live Love Posh. Let's see, nothing crazy here. Yep, I don't think there's anything that I see standing out. This is the Botanist Babe from Live Love Posh. I love the blue with green. I don't know what it is about it, but I really, really liked it. This is the day that we went to that restaurant that I was saying. It is absolutely incredible. Then this week, Botanist Babe yet again. I added some quotes. That was a fun week. We did quite a few things. Okay, and then this one is again Etsy. It's that Bridgerton inspired stickers, and I think that was such a fun day in general. That was my birthday, so we went out. That was a really, I had a birthday party at home. So yeah, it was a lot of good stuff. So again, this one is Celestial Elegance, stored in Moody Florals, in case you are wondering about this cover, because I know a lot of you commented how stunning this planner is, and it really is. I just gave 6 months of like redating, and then I had enough. So there you go. The next one is my social media. So let's go through that one. That one ended in June. So for what I ended up doing for July is just a single page up here. I have not filled out my top videos from YouTube yet. I took one of the months from Celestial Elegance and I redated that. Both of these things are from Planything. This is Floral Beach and this is Beach Vibes. So 2 different sticker books. I thought that was such a fun little spread. And what I did for the monthlies, since I didn't have actual monthlies and I like my kind of simple layout, I did quads that are undated from Live Love Posh, and then I turned them into this. So I have July 1 through 7th. I put the schedule here and all of the stuff I need to do. These stickers are from Easter Case. Again, Rain Fleur. Yeah, super cute, very blue. Floral Beach from Planything. Nothing special. This is Easter Case. Fantasy Flower Language. Love this sticker book, you guys, like a lot. Yeah, that sticker book is probably the most used sticker book for me. Look at this. It's empty. I'm so proud of this one. It's like I have a couple stickers left and it will be done. And then this is the Bridgerton florals, and I did that. And then I took this August, which was for 2023, and redated it for 2024, and that's what I'm using. And as I do this, those are going to be going in the back, and it will start with this. So this is what it is. It is, what is it called? Wild and Vibrant, and it's Simply Layout. And I don't know if they still make it. If anybody knows if they still make this layout, let me know, because I really do enjoy it. And if not, maybe for next year, I'm going to have to move into quads. Okay, and last but not least, obviously, this is my favorite. So let's see. This is my currently for July. I was reading The Housemaid. If any of you have read this, let me know. I read the whole series. Wow, that was a good book. Making lots of planner spreads and stickers. Feeling pretty great. Cooking not much. Out celebrating. Celebrating birthdays. Loving Alec and Toa and family time. Watching Better Call Saul and Bear, like the restaurant. So if you guys are watching any of that, let me know too. Thinking about organization and decluttering not much. That is the truth. My monthly matched my currently. Look how pretty. I really do like that one. I think that came out so good. So clearly Bridgerton, Miss Penelope, season 3. Super cute. This one is Planet Derby, Summer Fun by Aesthetic Plants. So I have combined those sticker and kind of made a very, very full spread. And I really, really like how that came out. Yep. Independence Day, happy birthday, America. You guys, sometimes I crack myself up. With my eye exam, that's when I decided to get LASIK. Let's see, we're watching House of Dragon. Had dinner with girlfriends. Toa goes to Dogtopia, which is a doggy daycare. Let's see, nail appointment, Dogtopia, went to get groceries. We had a big surgery at work. Toa had a vet appointment, and I had my appointment, and I had a date night. So lots of things happening that day. We had brunch with friends. I had my LASIK consult. So lots of fun stuff. Okay, this one is actually, okay, so this one was what? Live, Love, Posh, Office Chic. This is when I decided I really prefer really, really full spreads like this or like this. And I decided to make it my mission to make them look as full as this because it makes me really happy. So then there's this one. It's Crafty Planner Cream. It is a $2 Tuesday stickers, and I thought that came out so good. I did draw a whole bunch of like patterns in, like I did once before on like wild type of spread, and I thought that came out really, really good. Let's see, nap. I was so tired. I tried a new restaurant. It was disgusting. I had a hair appointment, which was great. My dad was helping us out. Birthday party. Visiting parents. And okay, so far, this is my favorite spread of the year, you guys. Like, okay, I have to take it out to show you. But look at her. Okay. Yeah, I have a girl crush on her, you guys, okay? Because look. And yes, this is a super, super full spread once again, except I kept all of my to-do lists on the top. So this is Toa's Gotcha Day. So we had him for 1 year officially. Super happy about that. I had a super long day at work. That was my birthday. I turned 37. We went to a Korean barbecue to celebrate. Just me and my boyfriend. Some cleaning. We went to a concert at Ravinia. Ravinia is kind of like a open park picnic area with lawn where you can sit and listen to concerts. obviously for a fee, but they also have a pavilion which you can pay for seats and go watch, and that was incredible. It was Chicago Symphony Orchestra, which they are like the top of their stuff. Then I had a birthday celebration at home and I cooked. I had like my whole family over. I wanted to cook for them. And then I was hanging out with my sister watching Olympics. And I worked on some videos, and that was it. That was my whole week. This was kind of a plan, one of her like floral sticker books. And then the girls from Etsy. I really love how that came out. Let me know what you guys think, but so far that's all I have, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I forgot I haven't done the July flip through, but it's here now. So thank you so much if you are joining me, and let me know which one you like the most. Let me know how many planners you guys are using, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye.